Alright, hello boys and girls, moms and dads, welcome to HeroesMart School Academy. This is 5th grade English. We're going to be doing week number 21 and day number 4 today. Alright, so in day number 4 we are still going to do composition, but in addition to that we are going to talk about research. So go ahead and reference the reading from day number 1 and try to rewrite that particular reading in your own words. You're welcome to follow the strategy that we talked about, which is the ODR strategy: organize, document, review. You would have written or rewritten something in your own words. Now we're going to be talking about research fundamentals right now. So I believe in 4th grade or 3rd grade, if you're coming through this curriculum, we talked about how research is a diligent and systematic investigation of a subject to discover facts. So when you are trying to investigate a particular topic with the intent of discovering facts about it, you are doing research. In writing essays and composing articles, we have to do this as well. So if you want to write an essay, you want to write an article. So for example, this week we talked about electromagnetism. Well, we had to do research about it. We had to understand what it is to start with, how electricity is generated. Well, we did some kind of research. So the question then is, how do we do research? How do we conduct research? Well, these are going to be the guidelines, and that will help you to do any kind of research you may want to do. Number 1, you've got to have a research plan. Develop a research plan. Number 2, gather information. Number 3, clarify information. And then number 4, present your ideas. So these are the 4 major categories of things and actions that you are going to be doing when you want to conduct research. Now, when you want to develop a research plan, the first thing you want to think about is, what am I researching about? In other words, what's the research topic? If there is no research topic, then you probably can't gather information about any topic, right? Because you don't know what you want to research about. So you want to start with a topic. And then you are going to generate a plan for gathering relevant information. And then your plan can be to go to your local library. It can be to search on the internet, but there's got to be a plan. This is my plan. It is well documented. I am going to get my information using this plan. Then you are going to proceed right now to gathering information. Follow your plan to identify sources. Collect information systematically through surveys and interviews and online searches, and which in this 21st century, getting information is really easy right now, courtesy of online searches. Then when you get information, you want to take notes. You want to identify the author, the title, the publisher, and the publication. Differentiate between paraphrasing and plagiarism. Well, you got to learn about that. So plagiarism is when you are taking word for word the work of another person without giving them reference to it or giving them credit for it. So you want to steer away from that, because that's a legal liability over there. So you don't want to do that. So even if you were to read something from a source, for example, you want to make sure that you paraphrase it, you write it in your own words, and then you want to reference the sources and give them credit for where it came from. And we are going to be talking about that extensively in this curriculum as well. Then cite the sources. That's what I was just talking about right now. Then once you've done that, you want to clarify information, which you're going to be asking questions from experts, maybe like your mentors, like your daddy or your mommy, and evaluate and organize collected information. And then you're ready right now to present your ideas by sharing your research with your audience, and you're going to draw conclusions based on that. So these are going to be the steps to research. Make sure you bookmark these steps. If you didn't come through HHA in 4th grade, make sure you bookmark these steps. They will help you in your science research, or social study research, or whatever type of research you may want to do over there. All right, did you get something from it? Well, that's what I've got for you. Remember, God cares about you, and so do we. Bye-bye.
I'll be your hero's buddy, and as you study with HeroesMart, I will be your friend. so don't you worry.